Good morning, everyone. I'm Erica from Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews, and today we're going to be opening my March Boxycharm. Yes, there is no February Boxycharm because I have no idea where it's at. It is somewhere in Texas, but not here. They've already supposedly sent me another one, but we don't know. I'm very seriously thinking about canceling because I didn't get my November one, and then now I'm not getting my... You see the problem here? Alright, so let me grab this. And they have combined with Ipsy officially. If you hear complaining in the background, that is my son. He is very cranky today for some odd reason. Alright, so we're going to push on the calculator. And the thing is Planet Woman, because this month is National Women's Month. So it's Planet Woman. And then they got the little thing here talking about how they have Ipsy Boxy together now. So the change has happened. I think April 1st is official time it'll happen. So this is $28. It comes out to like 30 something dollars because they added something onto it. So that's how much you pay. And then you're supposed to get to like $150 value, something like that. So this one is a Barbados bronzer by Give Them Lala Beauty, and I do believe I'm trying to figure out what world that orange bronzer is okay. I'm not gonna touch it because I'm not gonna keep keeping it, but yeah. Give Them Lala. Dip your favorite brush into this new bronzer and apply to face to blur texture, contour face, deliver the most beautiful bronze, perfect summer, leave your skin looking naturally contoured and gorgeous. I don't like the color, so we're gonna go ahead. It says it is $26. Okay, so there's that. Alright, next thing I grabbed out of here is a Zoeva Spice of Life Voyager eyeshadow palette. Travel friendly eyeshadow palette with six highly pigmented matte shades and timelessly elegant cosmopolitan makeup tools. I think I messed up. Highly pigmented matte shades. Those look like there's some shimmers in there, or is it just me? I think there's a misprint. There's 3 mattes and 3 shimmers. I'm not going to touch them because I'm not sure if I'm keeping this. So I don't want to touch it. They look very beautiful. And it is $17. So it's very reasonably priced. And I like the little sleeve. I'm going to put it back in the plastic. Because when I did all my makeup stuff, I've decided that from now on, it stays in here until I actually use it. It stays closed up. I'm going to throw this away. Give Them Lala in this. Okay. Next we have Raina Rebed Mordida lip stain. Whisper Light moisturizing lip stain that delivers sexy, just bitten lip flush of color enriched with hyaluronic acid to bind moisture to your lips. Blend botanical. I'm gonna probably keep this. Botanical. Well, I am keeping it now that I'm opening it. It doesn't have a great smell to it. I mean, like nothing fancy. It's coming off more red on the screen than it is because it's like a... It's definitely a lip gloss. It blends out to basically nothing. So I do like that. It's a lip stain. Feels sticky. That stain that won't feather, feel sticky, or make your lips feel parched. It does feel really good. Like I can feel the moisture on here. And it does stay. It definitely is a stain, and it's just a light stain. Excuse my lips. If you're Monday, you'll know. Monday, you'll know. My makeup look is from high school, just so you know, to get a head start. Because you'll know Monday or Tuesday. All right. That lipstick is $16, so plus 16. Next thing we have in here is Il Maquillage for eyes mascara. The eyes that bat your way out of a parking ticket. Weightless mascara lifts, separates, curls, thickens every lash for serious drama. $27, and I'm not going to open it because I'm not sure I'm keeping it. So we're just going to go ahead and stick it in here because the fact that it is expensive tells me that it's probably scented. If it's scented, I can't use it because it'll make me have migraine. Stop it! And last but not least is Aceology Hyaluronic Acid Intensive Repairing Biodegradable Masks. Hydrating mask replenishes your skin, renews complexion like a splash of water on a hot day. 5 types of hyaluronic acid, aloe vera after instant refreshment, while Centella Aesthetica extract and Olamus Davidinia root extract bind the water to your skin for lasting moisture and plumpness. $59 for 4. Yeah, 4 one-piece masks. $59. He is in such a bad mood. The whole value of this entire box is $145. And I only paid $30, so that means I got at least $115 over what I paid in value. Whether I'm keeping it or not, like I said, this is not a bad idea if you don't have a lot of money around Christmas time or whatever and you have a lot of women in your life. So you go and you buy this box all year round because it's $30 a month. And men, because sometimes men want to wear some makeup, and also they like to take care of their skin and stuff, and you get skincare in here. So I mean, if you have a man that in your life that wants to wear that, then go ahead and do it. So you could take and oh, I want this palette, but I don't want anything in this box. I'll just put this in this container. So then during the year, as you have birthdays come up or you have Christmas gift giving at work or something, you could take out of that box of stuff that is basically good price and give it to people. So, and you didn't go over the price thing because it was a Boxycharm that you only paid $30 for. And you got 5 products in there. So you could kind of hey, I know that palette's worth, that skincare cream is worth $50, but I got it out of a Boxycharm, and I only paid $30 for that, and there was 5 things in there, so 30 divided by 5 is 6. I only paid $6 for it. If they fall for that, but I gotta get to him because he's obviously trying to wear my patience very thin. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.